Hello, in today's tutorial we're going to see how to create an email signature for free using a free software which is Canva. So we are at our Canva home screen. In the search bar we'll have to type email signature. So there will be many templates which would be free and you can also create from scratch. For this tutorial I'm going to show you both. So first I'm going to take this template which is free. I'm going to create this kind of a signature, a simple one. Another one I will create from the scratch here like so. Okay, so first thing is I will have to right click on this picture and detach and get rid of this picture. Next, if I don't want these patterns, I can change this by going to this color palette and I can change this color to this dark blue or basically this is the kind of this color is my logo color, so I'm just going to make it little darker. That's all. Now because this is a signature, I'll definitely use my name, so I will have to come here and take one of my pictures. So for that I need to go to upload section and I will get this file upload option from where I can basically take file which I need to access from my computer, laptop or phone. Also it is an app based software. You can also get the app downloaded in iPhone and in Android and iPhone both. So I've got this picture. It has, because this is my signature, so it has to be a formal picture. So as soon as I will drag this in front of this frame, this is basically a frame. I will show you in my next part of this tutorial how to get and where to get this frame and what is the utility of it. But because this is just for modification of a ready template, you don't have to bother about it. If you are using this process, you simply double click on the picture and just drag it downwards and it will be fit inside the frame like so. Then I'll just take all these three layers by dragging my mouse all over it and then group them together, and you can shift it anywhere you want. Now I will simply change these text boxes by my name and then position it in the right way. Digital marketer I'm not changing. If you want you can change this, and these things all are same way changeable. You can simply drag and then you can drag these all together and just group them together, and then you can make the changes, right, so that they do not get shifted from this respective places. So why am I not I'm showing you this is the easiest way. If you're a beginner and if you want to quickly edit, then this is the easiest way. You take a template and just do the minimum changes and you're done with your signature. So once you're done, because the background is looking very flat, so I'm going to this element section where I'll be taking dots and I will get this. You can also give this this keyword and you will get all these different types of graphics. If you come to this graphics section, you will get different types of graphics. Many do use these kind of graphics and change them, make them beautiful of different color. So you can bring it here, you can just edit it little bit, you can make it transparent, right? So you can do all these things, but for the sake of this video I'm not going to go for digital graphics. I'll go for dots only. So I will take a dot like so and I will simply drag it here and change the color from this to white. That's all. And I will simply duplicate by pressing Ctrl D, and I will simply flip it vertically and horizontally, and then I will shift it here, right? So I'm done with it. Okay, so I'm done with it. If you want little bit transparency, you can just go to this transparency option and you can make it little transparent. Same way, this one also a little more transparent. Okay, so I am done with this template. Now I will go for a template from scratch. So I will take this, a new one. I will simply change this color to white. Okay, now I will come here and I will go to triangle and I will take this triangle shape. I will kind of bring it here. I will change the color from color palette maybe this sky blue color I will take, and I'll make it even more pale. First I will make it little transparent. This is the color which I'm looking for. So I will just duplicate, Ctrl D, and simply make it like this, and then position it right here, like so. Next is I will come to elements only, and I will type frame, right? So as soon as I type frame, I'll get different types of frames here. You can take any frame from here, but I am keeping it simple, so I'm taking a round shaped frame, a circle frame, and I will simply duplicate it. Okay, now I will make it little large, enlarged in size, and I will simply duplicate this page by going here, because I'm going to show you with frame and one without frame. So this duplicate one, I will show you without frame, the exact same effect which I have made here, and here I'm showing it with a frame. So I will make the frame like so, and then I will go again back to element and type gradient background, and you can take a beautiful gradient background from here as you wish. So for me, this is okay. This is going with my background, this theme. So I will position this over here. I'll make it little long, a little large, and always remember this grid. It should come and cross, and then I'll go to upload, and I will take the same picture, double click, and I'm done, right? So just select them together, select these two together, and group them together so that you can move them together, right? So I'm done with it, and then you will simply go to text box. You'll take a text box right here, drag it here, make it little smaller like this, and Ctrl A or double click on this, or you can make Ctrl A and then change it. Simple. This is how, and then you can change the letter spacing a little bit. I will shift the letter spacing from the spacing option, and then line spacing as well. Okay, and then I will simply drag them from elements. I will type rectangle, and I will simply grab this rectangle. I can come here and change this color to this color again, or else this color, or this color rather. This is the same color I used for these corners. So like so. I hope this is looking good. And now this is time when I will be adding my social media handle icons. So again, from elements, I will type Facebook. Try to select similar kind of icons, and try to match the size as well, like so. Okay, and just change the color, and then I will take another, just one more. Okay, so I positioned it like this, and then select them together by dragging your mouse, and then go to position and tidy up, so that the gap between all these three icons remains same. Now I will select one by one icons. I will right click, and I can go to link like this, and I will go to the respective page and copy the URL, come back, just paste and enter. So link will be added. So all these links I have given, and I'm done with my second template. Now I will come to the third template in order to make this monochromic effect, right? So for this, first thing is I will take these colors hex code. How will I take it? I will select this, I will come to this, I will come here and simply copy this hex code, and come back and select this, come here once again, and just paste it like so. Okay, same way I will do this as well. I will just come here, I will take this copy option and paste it here, right? And I guess this one is okay, right? So like this, I have created this one I will not take because I will take my picture here. So I have created this pattern. Now I will go to upload section again and I will take my picture, right? And I will, first thing is I will go to edit image and I will have to go for BG remover. Now the problem is this option is for pro users. If you're not having a pro account, then I would suggest you to go for 30 days trial if you want to. I would be leaving my affiliate link in the description box. If in case you're not willing to do that, I'll give you an alternative option to that. You go to Google Chrome, a Mozilla browser, and type remove BG, enter. So you can simply open the software, this first one, and upload your image, and this will seamlessly remove your background. It will do the same thing for free, right? So I'll get back to my software and Canva, and I am having only picture without any background. Now I will apply it. You can just select this and Control D will make it duplicate, or else you can just select this. You select this and you get a floating box, and there you get duplicate, delete, and these 3 dots in order to make copy paste and link and all that, right? So I've taken this. Now I will just go to flip and I will flip horizontally. This one also flip horizontally. Now I will take this picture, little bit enlarge it, and then go to edit image. Then look for duotone. Just scroll a little bit downwards, you'll get duotone. Go to see all and take this sea blue option. You can take any other option, whatever you want. Now in order to get this beautiful sky blue blur shadow effect, I have taken this one. Now I'll go to these 3 dots and I will simply change this color to this color, right, which I have taken. So once you're done, apply it, then go to edit image adjustment option, and then just make it a little more bright, contrast a little more, saturation a little more, and blur it a little. Okay, once you're done with it, just enlarge and keep it like so. Now you bring this picture and make it little smaller than the picture which is behind it. Okay, now keeping it selected, again go to adjustment, decrease the brightness a little bit, and then make the saturation -100 and enter, and boom, it has given me a beautiful monochromic effect. Now you select these two, you can enlarge it if you want, shift it a little bit leftwards. So that is how I have made my third signature template beautifully. And so these are 3 signatures. Now this is time when I will be showing you how to upload it. So first you go to the share option and go to download option, take PNG file option selected, and then you can uncheck all pages, and it's just take 1 or 2. For me, I'm checking the last one, and I'll do done and then download it. Once downloaded, just open this. Okay, and now I am in my Gmail box. See all settings, and then I will come in the front general option only. You will get signature option little bit downwards here. So I will go to create new, name signature, create. Okay, so I will go to this option, this tiny option, this one. This is for image insert. I'll come here, I will go to the respective folder, upload, see my device. So from here I will take this one. The aspect ratio is already accurate, so you don't have to really bother about it. Once it is done, you need to come a little bit downwards, and here both the cases, for new email and forwarded email, you'll have to go for new signature, the name which you have given. Once it is done, come downwards and save the changes. Once it is done, go to compose mail. You see your signature has already come, so you'll have to just type the content and you're done. If you have liked my tutorial, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you press the subscription button below and press the bell notification next to it. If you haven't yet downloaded VAGPE Media app, where we have already published 2 elaborate courses on Canva which can help you to become from a beginner to a pro graphic designer, then make sure you grab the early bird offer which is going on at this moment and download the app from Google Play Store. Today this much. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe, stay legendary.